Let's start counting. Join in with our friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting is so much fun. Come on, everybody. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep on counting, we're getting there slowly. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Keep on counting, so many numbers to see. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Getting closer now, counting steadily. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Almost there, let's count with glee. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We did it together, wasn't that fun? We counted to 100, step by step. Numbers are amazing, and they never end. Thanks for counting with me, from 1 to 100. Counting together, it's our number adventure.
Hey kids and parents! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun-filled educational videos. Join us on amazing adventures where we learn about ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, colors, shapes, animals, and so much more. Hit that subscribe button and let's explore, play, and learn together every day.